How to log into Finnair Plus account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Finnair Plus login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, finnair.com, open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. Go ahead and select this section of login or corporate login for which you want to log in. After you select it, now you have to provide your account's credentials. Go ahead and type in the email address or Finnair Plus number. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Keep Me Shining. After you fill this, click on Login, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Sign Up and go through the process. Well, this is how you can easily log into Finnair Plus account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.